Here I've got DOOGEE S50, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, then find and select the settings, and here just locate timer icon. It's here, self timer. And you can pick either 2 or 10 seconds, let me choose 10 seconds. And if you will go back and now grab a photo, it will be done with 10 seconds delay. So at first you will see the countdown, and then the picture will be taken. That's it. Then you can obviously pick 2 seconds or switch timer off, smoothly pick self timer and then tap on off to turn it off, to deactivate it, and now the picture is taken right after you click. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.